Hi everyone, this is North Shore Prepper, and today I would like to make for you some dishwasher soap. Now I think this I got from Sam's Club, and I think it might have been $12 or $14, I don't remember. But I make my own laundry soap anyway, so, and I can show you that later. So today I'm going to be making a homemade version of this and at a fraction of the cost. So I looked at a lot of videos on YouTube, and I really like 255 Sage. She has a lot of really good videos. And this is kind of a variation of her recipe that I use. She mentions that she has hard water and we don't. So it's a really simple recipe, and I use 1 tablespoon for a normal load, or if I'm doing pots and pans, I fill up the whole little reservoir and then just close the lid. And it's a powder, so it melts. Like if I do a pots and pans load, and I run my dishwasher sometimes 3 times a day because we do a lot of cooking and there's teenage boys involved and there's always dirty dishes in my house. So what you're going to need is the Arm & Hammer, and I'm going to use this container because this is great. It goes under my sink. We're done. The Arm & Hammer washing soda, it's the same product you use when you make your laundry soap. The chemical makeup is different than baking soda, so you don't want to use regular baking soda. And the washing soda cuts grease and eliminates odors. So we're using a cup of the washing soda, or a little tiny bit more because I just spilled a little more in there. And this is a little bit chunky sometimes, so if I find that there's some chunks, I'll just go in there and break them up. So we used a cup of the washing soda. This is like $3.25-50 at Walmart. That's where I've been finding it. I know you can also find it at your grocery store, but for the most part it's Walmart. And you can use it for a number of things. I use it for the dishwasher soap, and I use it for laundry soap. Then there's the 20 Mule Team Borax. Borax is awesome also. Borax is a great disinfector. You can use it if you have stinky laundry or what have you. It's also an ingredient in the laundry soap that I make, that everybody makes. I can't take credit for that. So it's also just it gets a little chunky sometimes. Also a cup of borax right in there. Then 255 Sage uses kosher salt. I have table salt that is kosher salt, and it's a half a cup. So a half a cup of the I should probably put a little bit extra because a little bit extra came out of both of those. A half a cup to that mixture. And then I'm just going to grab a spoon, because I'm not going to use a wooden spoon because those are cooking spoons, so I can show you. I just had it turned the other way. So it makes a fair amount. Just stir it up, and it's, like I said, 1 tablespoon, or you can fill up the compartment in your dishwasher. I like to grab the for this type of thing, I like to use the measuring cups from the dollar store and the tablespoon. So then what I would do is I would just take the tablespoon, toss it in there, close the lid, soap. Now there is also this that goes into your dishwasher that makes your glasses nice and shiny. This, I believe, is $12 at Sam's Club. I have a very little bit left. Like I said, we do a lot of dishes in my house. So everybody's talking about vinegar instead of the jet dry. And like I said, I still have a little bit left. I think this bottle has lasted about a year. We've been here a year, so about a year. And when this is gone, I'm going to try the I'm going to try the vinegar instead of this. And I cannot vouch for this yet because I've not tried it, but 255 Sage and a few of the other videos I watched all talk about this. So there's that. And that's going to last you a while. This is only one batch. You could even triple this and get a fair amount in here, and then every once in a while just shake it up so things don't separate. And think of all the money you're going to save, because I spent $3 on the Arm & Hammer, maybe $3.50 on the borax. And I have vinegar. We do a lot of canning, so this vinegar says for cleaning, not canning. I keep them separate just because I don't want any cross-contamination with my vinegars. So this will be the vinegar that I'll use for in my jet dry compartment of the dishwasher. And then your table salt. I just wanted to say really quick that I make my own laundry soap. There you go. And laundry soap is a cup of the washing soda, a cup of the borax, and you use 1 bar of the soap. This is the white Zote. It comes in pink. Also, you can get the felt Snappa soap. That's a yellowy color. I have really sensitive skin, and I find that the Zote is the soap that I have to use. So I make liquid soap. I made the powder soap before, but now I have one of those high efficiency washing machines. So I basically take this, I put it on a cutting board, I cube it. I have a 5-gallon bucket that's just for laundry soap. I have a wooden spoon that is just for laundry soap. So I'll make another video of laundry soap. If you want to find laundry soap videos, there's a million of them, and I just made 10 gallons. So we're not going to do that right now because I don't need 10 more gallons of soap. But it turns out like this, and it's 1 cup of soap for each load you do. Now, this time what I did when I made my laundry soap is I put in 2 capfuls of this. I melted it first in hot water before I dissolved it in my soap. And it's smelly, it's nice. It's $7 for one of these though. I like the pink flavor. I don't know what the blue is, but I know there's like a bluey purpley flavor. It's called Downy Unstoppable. So I use 2 capfuls of this, 1 bar of soap, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 cup of the borax, and there's your laundry soap. And that's 1 cup per load. So, but the point of my video today was just for the dishwashing detergent, and I just wanted you to know that if you already bought the washing soda and the borax, that you might as well go ahead and make your own laundry soap. This was 97 cents. If you have a Big Lots had the felt Snappa soap for 99 cents, and normally it's like $2.59 a bar. So that was a really good deal. But I like the Zote white. They make it in white and pink, and then there's felt Snappa. So that's my video today. I hope it helps you save a little money and keep your family clean.